This is the theme song for this particular course that you're watching. So, what's the name of this one? I don't even remember. Calendar for YouTube challenge, step by step framework. So, this is going to be the step by step framework. I'm going to share with you the calendar, the Excel sheet that you can have. It's linked down below. I'll show you. And we are diving deep into the content. Right? Thank you so much. And we are looking in the channel. We have completed all the videos. If you have seen this how to template, what you have to be doing is I'll share you a quick thing. I'm going to share the screen as well. I'm going to share. It's better I share the screen now. What you have to be doing is click and download the file. Okay, click and download the file. When you click it, this is going to be typically be opening my account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and I'm going to open in coordinator. Okay, and open it. Now this is how you are going to access from your end. So how do you download it? I'm going to share it in this one video. They see this is how to type this. This is how it's going to open for you. Come fast, huh? First one, you need to download it. Either you can download it in MS Word, blah, 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 anything, but what download it in the Microsoft Word. That's one way of doing it. Or I don't know why there's no make a copy wala thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you an alternate way of doing it, where you can copy the whole thing, paste, Control C, and open a new Google document from your end, and you can paste it and start using it. Okay? So you can do it in these two ways. You can either download it in MS Excel, MS document, or you can copy the whole thing and keep it in your save it for you. Now, that brings us to the next video. Next sheet is the next sheet for you is going to be high converting YouTube template. Again, it's the same process, but here it's going to be sheet rather than the again it's the documentation. You have to do the same process. Now we move on to this one video where we have to talk about step by step framework by creating content calendar for your YouTube channel. Now that is this one sheet. Okay, what you have to be doing is I can schedule it on a couple of days for you. What you can be doing is just click this, drag all the way down. If you want like 88 days or how that is, 90 days, 92 more days, 100 days. Okay, 100 days that is 50 days. 100 videos that is 50 videos. Okay, how do you go about it? We are going to talk about that. Say, for example, 3 ways to connect with the audience. That's one of my topics from the YouTube videos. What I did is I copied and I pasted it over here. What you have to be doing is 3 cool ways to connect with. You have to remove this and add connect with what your niche. You paste that over here. Then we move on to the next topic 6 ways to help your community members get. You copy this one, you paste it here. Okay, 6 ways to help your somewhere. You can put that over here. Okay, remove this and you can add your domain over here. Then probably you move on to the next day is how to invest in the right. Or you can just scroll down and say how to know what you are copy this, paste this. Okay, how to know what you are dash and using dash form. So this formula becomes your secret formula, and what are you becomes like what is the benefit that first is going to get. So likewise, what you're going to do is you're going to mix and match both of these together. Some of the topics I will take it from here, say two topmost. You just copy this and say you want to use this one, place it over here. So two topmost things you need to have while building sales streams, while starting to write calligraphy, while starting to learn Chinese language, when starting to learn calligraphy, when starting to learn Facebook advertisements or interior design, anything. You just remove the keywords that I have got here. That's because that's my personal thing. What you can do is you can say 5 phases of becoming expert as an interior designer, or as an painter, or as an doing something. Okay, that is how you are going to fill everything after this video. What you're going to do is you are going to fill minimum this until I'm going to put a line over here until 60, until 30, until 30. Okay, this line is for you over here. This is for you. Taking the line, taking the line. This is until this one. So you have 60 days of content. 30 days of content, 2 days a day. That's going to be 60 pieces of videos. Okay, so that is how it's going to be for you. Next, the next step for you is how do you download this? You click here and download the calendar for you. So again, you're going to click here, copy, or just click here and you're able to download it. If, for example, you're not able to download it, so what you do is you click on this top button, the top right, before a above one. That way you'll be able to copy the whole sheet. Control C, you open a new file, for example, open a new Google Sheet in your Google Drive. Right click, open a new Google Sheet and paste it so that the whole process comes. Cool. That is one way of doing it. The another way I'm kind of working on it. The next part or the next step for you is going to be after every month you change the month. It's like you duplicate it. It's duplicating it. Copy of September. You rename it. You rename it to October. October. And you remove everything that you did. Say delete, and you start the whole process again. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 8. So that is your task for this one. Even if you're watching this video on like midnight at 2 a.m. before sleeping, you need to finish 30 days of videos for calendar. So as you're watching this video, you are not into raw and unscripted version of it. But if you are into raw and unscripted version of it, that's completely fine. You will have to fill the calendar. But if you're not, if you like to fill the calendar, so the task for you is finish. Okay, take a selfie with the sheet like this. Take a selfie with the sheet, or take a screenshot of the sheet and share it in the comment section of the learning box conversation so that I get to know that you are not just watching, but you are just taking an action. And based on that action, then you move forward. So thank you so much for making this video and the topic and the course of the day. This is how you get how to titles, high converting how to titles, high converting YouTube titles, and the calendar. So this is like a theme song. This is like a theme song of the whole. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video because we are going to wrap up. And this is one of the greatest calendars that you ever have. Like, just fill in the form, fill in the blanks, and keep on moving forward. Planning is 80% of execution. That when you plan it, just the next 20% is do the job. Okay. All the best, and see you in the next video.